here is what we will be working on today.
So we go further with this project. Now we will create sheet metal component at front of this wall, TV wall mount that will connect these two arms. We can create sheet metal component like this, create sketch as this, make dimensions, let's say 40 millimeters, I guess, here, no, 30 is okay, 20 here, make this vertical constraint. Now coincidental constraint to center of our coordinate system, and we have constraint sketch. Now isolate only this component to clearly see what we do. Sheet metal 100 millimeters would be okay for now. Now let's create holes. $11mm, move it to see it better. Add dimensions, 40 from center, and let's say 10 from this edge. Now add another circle. Diameter of this circle will be the same, like this, 11. So we click and we have the same diameter, horizontal constraint and dimension the same as the circle on the left side. Finish sketch, extrude. Something is missing here. Extrude to object, to this, and we have these two holes, 4 holes. Unisolate this component and let's apply joint to this new component and joint that point and that point. We have this cylindrical. I guess cylindrical joint is okay, but maybe we can use revolute. But I guess cylindrical is better. Just add limits. We can let small movement up and down, 1mm up, 1mm down, and okay. Now it is assembled to this arm, but we have to assemble it to this other arm, the same thing. This point we have already cylindrical selected, add limits -1 to +1, and it's okay. Let's see how it looks. It looks okay, but we have this new sheet metal part that is under some angle to this big sheet metal part. These two parts must be parallel, so we will add constraint joint, slider. This is sliding as it should be. I flipped component, but we have some message that something is wrong here. Let's see, other axis is not that axis is not that. It's that axis, but something is wrong. What could be wrong here? Let's delete this. Try again. I'm thinking join this point, it slides, okay. Flip. When I flip, it appears this message. This is okay, but from the other side, let's flip it. Warning sign shows. Check limits. I don't know, maybe. Let's play with these limits. $300, where it is now? I don't see it. It's there. From -100 to 100. Motion is okay. Not sure why it's this message still. Let's try one more thing. Join this point with this point. We don't see a message, seems okay now. Let's see how it looks. Yes, that seems correct. Now we have this movement as we want, just to edit limits. Opposite direction. Minus 100 to, let's say, 1. This seems okay now. Yes, it works. So this was interesting to play with this. If you have questions, you can post in comments.